Paola Hernandez. Best regards development of the activity. Tax for speaking tax. Company Chevron. Because I show the company? Because it is a company that since the year 1965 emitted 43.35 billions of tons of carbon dioxide, have caused environmental damage that harms the planet and is responsible for serious disasters that are irreparable. Because it causes widespread toxic contamination in the indigenous ancestral lands in the tropical rainforests of Ecuador. How does this company contribute to pollution in the world? Destroys farms, livelihoods, and carries disease by spilling gallons of toxic water into tropical forests. Insignificantly makes an environment, social, cultural, and human crime. Lead to an increase in greenhouse emission per humanity at risk. What opinions and demands were expressed in the formal letter? An expression of the measures they are implemented to reduce the emission of CO2 gas which affects the planet environment. Ecological solution to the problem of in this company? The implementation of a safe technology that it blends humans and tune with humanity. Pointing to prime ancestral knowledge which helps to conserve and protect it. Inject formation waters into ground. How this impacts the environment in a positive way? Because it allows caring for the environment, generates sustainable development, improves environments, the emission of gas is treated in the irresponsible way which contribute to improvement of global warming. Thank you.